Data plus science is going to give you data science. How this data science is used in day-to-day life. Let's talk about data science. Welcome to I am Dad channel, and this is about data science. Data is something that helps to understand things, or it also gives a lot of patterns and to get the trends or the insights of the data. Also, it helps to transform the data into a knowledge to make decisions. So that is data. What is science? Science is a phenomenon which helps to record observations. That means the record the data, and it is going to help you to formulate the hypothesis or build models or to make predictions or also design experiments. So these two together is going to make data science. Data science is a technique from statistics, computer science, and many domain expertise to attract the insights and to know the knowledge of from the data. So like we can also break it down into about 6 to 7 steps, starting off with data collection. So there is a way of data collection. Once we gather the data from various sources, for example, databases, sensors, or from the internet, scraping data, many more processes are there in order to collect the data. Moving on to data cleaning. So data cleaning helps to we can remove the errors to ensure the data is accurate and usable, and we can do data wrangling, which helps to make the data in a transformable form so that it will suit the data modeling algorithm. Next is EDA, which is exploratory data analysis. So we are going to see the data analysis using like statistical or computational methods. Mostly we use visualization tools such as Power BI and Tableau. There is also we could do in Python. Um, but when we explore these insights of the data, we get a clear understanding which data is the target variable, the dependency of the variable. All this could be understood by the analysis of the data. Next is data modeling. So this process takes a quite a longer time, whereas we have to check on which when the data works with which best model, and we have to interpret whether which model is going to make the best decision, or how it classifies well with the accuracy, and how well it is doing the prediction, and how well the recall, the F1 score. With all this, we could find the best model which is suitable for the data we have selected. Next comes the visualization. So visualization is a way to understand the complexity of the data, but we can also help the data to be like how we are going to present it to the business user using bar graphs, lines, scatter, many other graphs or histograms, pie graphs, many things to show them how the data varies and spot the patterns, the trends, and also the outliers. Many more things could be done after the data modeling through visualization, and it will be a great help for the business user. And then we can draw the or we and the business users can also interpret the conclusion and make decision based on how well the model has predicted, and whether do they have to make decisions based on the data. So the meme itself shows a data scientist means the society thinks they build robots, and your friends think that you do a lot of statistical mathematician uh, areas, or your boss thinks like you're a magician that you could bring everything to life, or mathematicians think that you are a comedian, and what you think is you're a data scientist and you have all the confidence. What is analytics in data science? So that is the crucial step that is going to transform the raw data into meaningful insight. Next is types of analytics. So types of analytics, there are four types of analytics when it comes to data science. Moving on to first one, descriptive. So what is descriptive? Descriptive helps to identify what happened, explains what happened. So this is like summarize the findings or what's going on, more like visualization is the descriptive analytics. Next is diagnostic analysis. So this helps to understand why it has happened, which means it is also helpful for determining the factors which is going to contribute for the outcome. So this is used in sensitive analysis or principal component analysis. Next is predictive analysis. So predictive analysis is used to predict the future outcome. So this includes in when building machine learning algorithms to provide the accurate prediction. So we are going to see whether this data will be giving the accurate prediction, and also we are going to see the statistics, or it also helps when testing the data. Predictive analysis, forecasting what might happen, is all about predictive analysis. Then comes the prescriptive analysis. This helps to recommend an action based on the forecast. So based on the predictive analysis, the prescriptive analysis helps to compare the nature. That means it's going to combine the data in various ways or business rules with the best practices, preferences, and all that, and gives you the perspective of it. What is the recommendation of it? So these are the four types of analytics in data science. This is all about data science and types of data science. Like, subscribe, and share for more videos. See you in the next video. Stay tuned.